Hey, bookworms! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a book that has been getting a lot of attention lately, Verity, by Colleen Hoover. This psychological thriller has been hailed as a must-read by many, and I couldn't wait to dive into it myself. Verity follows the story of Lowen Ashley, a struggling writer who is hired to complete the remaining books in a best-selling series after the original author, Verity Crawford, is unable to finish them due to an accident. While going through Verity's notes and outlines, Lowen discovers a disturbing autobiography written by Verity herself, revealing some very dark secrets about her life. As Lowen delves deeper into Verity's manuscript, she finds herself becoming increasingly entangled in the lives of Verity's husband, Jeremy, and the two children. The more she uncovers, the more dangerous the situation becomes, and Lowen must decide whether to share what she's discovered with the family or keep the secrets hidden. The characters in this book are complex and well written, which makes it easy to become invested in their lives and the plot. Lowen is a relatable protagonist who is struggling with her own demons while also trying to uncover the truth about Verity. Verity herself is a character who is both fascinating and terrifying, and Jeremy adds a layer of mystery and intrigue to the story. One of the main themes of this book is the power of secrets and how they can impact people's lives. Verity has been keeping some very dark secrets from her family and the world, and as Lowen begins to uncover them, it becomes clear just how much damage those secrets have caused. The book also explores the themes of trust, betrayal, and mental illness, which all play a significant role in the plot. Colleen Hoover's writing style is engaging and keeps you on the edge of your seat throughout the book. She has a way of building tension and suspense that makes it hard to put the book down. The plot twists and turns are well crafted and will keep you guessing until the very end. I really enjoyed reading Verity. The plot is well paced, the characters are compelling, and the writing is excellent. However, I will warn you that this book does contain some graphic content, so it may not be suitable for all readers. The ending is also very satisfying and ties up all the loose ends nicely. So that's my review of Verity by Colleen Hoover. If you're a fan of psychological thrillers or just looking for a book that will keep you on the edge of your seat, then I highly recommend giving this one a read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.